Hello everyone, today we'll discuss what are the procedures or the steps through which a limited liability partnership can be closed down. The first step is declaring the LLP as defunct. In case the LLP wants to close down its business or where it is not carrying on any business operations for the period of 1 year or more, it can make an application to the registrar for declaring the LLP as defunct and removing the name of the LLP from its register of LLPs. The second step is winding up of LLP. Winding up of LLP includes two things, either voluntarily winding up or compulsorily winding up. Voluntarily winding up is something where the partners may between themselves decide to stop and wound out the operations of the LLP. However, the compulsory winding up is wound up by the tribunal if the limited liability partnership decides that limited liability partnership be wound up by the tribunal. If for a period of more than 6 months the number of partners of the limited liability partnership is reduced below 2, if the LLP partnership is unable to pay its debts, if the LLP partnership has acted against the interests of the sovereignty and integrity of India, the security of the state or public order, if the LLP has made a default in filing with the registrar the statement of account and solvency or annual return for any 5 consecutive financial years.